Alright guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well today. I do want to give you guys an update what is happening right now with Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, there is in fact a fair few things that I want to talk about for today's video. And today is a pretty special day for Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin turns 16 today, right? 16. Bitcoin is truly getting old, guys. But yeah, there is in fact a fair few Bitcoin charts that I do want to show you guys as well, and of course altcoins, right? Because as we know, guys, okay, alt season is about to begin, and when we see alt season begin, guys, okay, we're gonna see a lot of new crypto millionaires printed. Okay, so it's gonna be a fantastic time for crypto this year in 2025. So Bitcoin right now, guys, just below $97,000. Okay, $96,800 right now. We did actually see Bitcoin right earlier today. Going up to almost $98,000. We didn't quite see it reach 98K, but it was pretty close, right? So Bitcoin is still holding up very, very well today. Okay, still looking pretty good right now for Bitcoin. We know, okay, for the past 2 days, Bitcoin has been looking pretty good, right? It's been pumping up to the upside. Same with altcoins, right? Alts today, okay, are moving, okay, slightly, right? We are seeing some altcoins moving today, just like yesterday and the day before. So yeah, you guys can clearly see Solana slightly up 3%. Great to see Solana above $200. Dogecoin today is up 2%, slightly up. Cardano today, look at Cardano, $1.10 right now. Let's have a look here. Cardano, okay, has been out. Wow, look at that. That is absolutely amazing to see for Cardano, guys. Okay, Cardano today is absolutely moonshining, guys. It's looking pretty good right now for Cardano, back at $1. Okay, it's at $1.10 right now. So, looking pretty good for Cardano. It's up over 12% today. And look at this, right? For the past week, Cardano is up over 20%, 21%, guys, which is insane. Looking pretty good right now for Cardano, right? It really is. Shiba Inu today is up 2%. XLM today, 3%. HBAR today, looking pretty good, 8%. Right, Polkadot, 6%. So yeah, a fair few alts, guys, okay, are moving today. Okay, but some alts today are not really moving. But majority of alts are still in the greens, which is, great to see for altcoins. Okay, now speaking about altcoins, guys, we know, okay, alt season is right around the corner. Okay, the crypto total market cap is going to be reaching a new high. Okay, so understand, guys, when this happens, when alt season happens, guys, yes, okay, new millionaires will be printed. Okay, so be ready for that, guys. I told you guys, okay, to get into altcoins, right? Because altcoins will skyrocket very, very soon, right? The large caps and the low caps, they're going to move, guys. Okay, we're going to see a lot of altcoins move, right? In a single day, we're going to see altcoins moving, 100%, even over 100%, even up to 200%, even higher than that, right? 300%, even 400%. Okay, and that should not be shocking because when it's alt season, guys, we're going to see a lot of that happening. Okay, a lot of these altcoins, they will reach back up to their previous high, even reaching a new high. Not all altcoins will do that, but understand majority of altcoins, okay, will do that, guys, right? So I hope you guys are ready for that. Okay, alt season is truly about to begin, guys. Okay, we are going to see, okay, the Bitcoin dominance dropping further down to the downside, right? And when we see this happening, okay, we're going to see alt season begin, guys. Okay, and y'all just clearly see, right, the Bitcoin dominance right now is still at 57%, right? It's at 57%, so it's still going down slightly, and trust me, this is going to really, really go down. Okay, and when it drops further down to the downside, guys, okay, when the Bitcoin dominance drops further down to the downside, right, something like this, okay, because that's going to happen, we're going to see alt season pretty much begin, okay, and then, the crypto total markup is going to absolutely rise up to the upside. Now, understand, guys, okay, Bitcoin is nowhere near the top. I feel like a lot of people think, okay, Bitcoin is, at the top or it's near the top. No, guys, it is not, okay? Bitcoin is going to go so much more higher than where it is right now compared to where it was, at its all-time high, its previous all-time high of $108,000. I'm telling you this right now, okay, we're going to see Bitcoin easily break back up to its previous high of $108,000 and, of course, reaching a new high. Okay, to 150 to 200k to even 300k and much higher. It is very, very possible, guys. So understand, Okay, Bitcoin is nowhere near the top. Okay, same with this chart, right? Very, very similar to this chart that I just showed you guys. So y'all can clearly see, okay, the Bitcoin bull market is far from over. This is truly just the beginning, guys. Okay, this is truly just the beginning. Okay, it really, really is, guys. Okay, we're going to see Bitcoin move so much more higher. Okay, so understand, guys, right? All my Bitcoin holders out there watching this video right now, be ready for this, okay? Because it is about to happen. We're about to see Bitcoin absolutely skyrocket. So I truly do hope you guys are ready for that. Now, look at this, guys, okay? Bitcoin 4-year cycle is still in play. Okay, we know about the 4-year cycle, right? If you miss the Bitcoin peak in 2025, you have to wait until 2029, which is very, very true. Okay, so understand, guys. Okay, we're gonna see a top for Bitcoin 2025. Okay, and then of course, in the next few years, 2026 and whatnot, right? We're gonna be in the bear market. Okay, and then the next bull market is gonna be in 2029, right? It's a 4-year cycle. Okay, so we know about the 4-year cycle, guys. Okay, so understand, okay, this works like clockwork, right? It really, really does, guys. Okay, history does, rhyme in a way, right? And it does repeat itself in a way as well. Okay, so guys, get ready for the year 2025. This year is going to be a fantastic year, okay, for Bitcoin. Just like back in 2021, as we know, 2021 was a great year for Bitcoin. Same with 2017, especially, right? 2017 was a fantastic year for Bitcoin. Even all the way back in 2013, that was a great year as well. Okay, and in those years, we're obviously in a bull run, in a bull market. And guess what? That's exactly where we are right now. So understand, guys, this year, 2025, is going to be a fantastic year for Bitcoin. So be prepared, okay? Now, guys, retail interest, okay, is going to spike up, right? As we know, retail interest, okay, is sort of, at a low right now. Okay, it is in fact having a slight drop, but trust me, it's gonna spike up, guys. Okay, it's gonna have a spike up. Okay, and retail interest will come in. Okay, people will foam in. People that are not buying into crypto right now, that are not getting into crypto right now, right this second, and they're simply just waiting in the sidelines. They're gonna FOMO in when they see Bitcoin pumping, when they see altcoins pumping, right? They're gonna FOMO in, guys. We always see the exact same things, and you would know that retail interest is in. You would know, people, okay, maybe it's your family member or, a friend, right? Or your co-workers, everyone's talking about Bitcoin, reaching a new high. Should I buy Bitcoin now? They're asking all these questions, right? They're just generally talking about crypto, and guys, they're not in crypto, right? They're not, no, they're not like, crypto investors or traders, but they're talking about it, whether they should buy now or not. It's been pumped. That's your exit strategy right there. Okay, when people that that are not in Bitcoin or crypto, okay, and they're simply asking you questions about Bitcoin or crypto, whether they should buy now or not, that's when guys, okay, that you should be taking profits. Okay, that's your exit strategy, guys, right? So remember that, okay? So retail interest, guys, is going to spike, okay, and soon enough, right, people that that are not in Bitcoin and crypto, they're going to start talking about it, okay, and they're going to ask you, random questions. Okay, like, should I buy now or should I wait? Okay, do you think I should buy this? Blah, 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 blah. We're going to see those happen, right? This happens every single time, guys, during a bull market. Okay, now, Da Vinci Jeremy says here, okay, and I like what he says here. He says, when Bitcoin hits $1 million, will you be glad to own it at $96,000 or wish you had bought it below $100,000? So this is a good pointer. Right, this is a very, very good point, because understand, guys, like I told you guys, right, we have to think Bitcoin long term, right? We gotta always think Bitcoin long term. We know Bitcoin is a digital asset that will be worth $1 million per Bitcoin. So trust me, okay, everyone out there that's not buying into Bitcoin right now at this level, while it's still below 100K, and soon enough it's going to be above 100K and higher. If you guys are not buying right now, you're going to have the biggest regret when Bitcoin is at $1 million and higher. Okay, when Bitcoin is at $1 million and higher, right, in the next few years, right, you're going to you would have wished that you bought Bitcoin at this level right now at $96,000, even at 100K or higher, even at 200K to 300K. You would have wished you bought Bitcoin at these price levels, when Bitcoin is at $1 million and higher. Trust me, guys. We are still so early in Bitcoin. I feel like a lot of people think we're too late into Bitcoin because I see the price for Bitcoin, but we are so early, guys, in Bitcoin. Okay, think of it this way. Buying Bitcoin below $1 million is a blessing. Understand, guys, Bitcoin will be reaching $1 million easily, right? It's going to be reaching $2 million, $3 million, even $5 million to $10 million. Call me crazy, but that's going to eventually happen, guys. Understand, Bitcoin is a digital asset that will be worth millions of dollars one day. Okay, so think about it. Buying Bitcoin right now at 96K, buying Bitcoin right now at 100K, it's a blessing. Okay, we are still so early for Bitcoin, guys, right? And Da Vinci Jeremy also says here, okay, 2025 will be the most important year of your life. And that's very true as well. If you guys simply want to, make money, okay, get into crypto, right? This is a very important year for a lot of people that, that want to make money in crypto. This is your opportunity right now. This is your chance right now to, turn your life around and to make life-changing money. Okay, it really is, guys, right? So I hope you guys are prepared for this year in 2025. Throughout my videos, okay, for the past few months, I've been telling you guys, I hope you guys are prepared for this year, 2025. Okay, and we're finally here. Okay, we're only 3 days into this month, into this year, sorry, in the New Year's. Okay, and it's still looking pretty good, right? We're still pretty early, right? We're not seeing altcoins really move just yet. Bitcoin right now, okay, it reached a new high just recently. But it's still looking pretty good, right? This is still a great time to get in, guys. Okay, it really is. Even though, yes, okay, we aren't factoring, Bitcoin bounced back up and, a lot of alts, right? But it's still a great time to buy because the prices that we are seeing right now for a lot of these alts, including Bitcoin, they're going to be much higher, right? Eventually, right? In the next few weeks, next few months, they're going to be so much more high compared to where they are right now. So it's still a great time to buy in, guys. Okay, it really is. Now, yes, okay, today is apparently Bitcoin's birthday, right? So happy 16th birthday, Bitcoin. Okay, the top currency, okay, cryptocurrency is old enough to drive, right? It says here Bitcoin got off to a humble start in 2009, rose to $1 in 2011, and briefly crossed $100,000 in 2024, right? So Bitcoin has came a long way, right? It truly has came a long way. Bitcoin has been through so much these, past few years, ever since Bitcoin was created, right, and launched. Okay, ever since it was existed, right? Bitcoin has went through so much, guys. Okay, and you have to clearly see initial release, okay, 9th of January 2009, so 15 years, but this is going to be the 16th year for Bitcoin, right? So absolutely amazing. Happy birthday to Bitcoin, right? Happy 16th birthday to Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is now, has been around now for 16 years, right? And that's still pretty early, right? It's still pretty early, guys. Bitcoin in a way, it's still young, right? It really is, guys. 16 years, honestly, is not that long at all. It truly is not that long. Okay, so that is that. But guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I will keep you guys updated on what's going to happen with Bitcoin, so stay tuned for that. More videos will in fact be coming away, so stay tuned, guys. Okay, I will keep you guys updated on what's going to happen with Bitcoin, what's going to happen around, crypto, so stay tuned for that. That being said, guys, thank you guys so much for the support recently. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.